I go make my people happy. I go make everybody jolly. I go share the national moi, divide the national cake. I chop my own, you chop your own. My government will not chop alone. Share the national moi, divide the national cake. How many of us remember that song? Like this is a song from Nigeria. If you could remember it, by Mama G. Hey guys, I don't know if if this is the first time you see my face. Maybe someone sent you this video, or peradventure you joined through maybe on X, Facebook, YouTube. You haven't seen Shifu's face before, and this is the first time you're seeing me. You're getting to listen to me doing presentation. You obviously don't know who I am in details, right? So Shifu, I'm an independent researcher. I'm an accredited investor, independent researcher, and a seasoned analyst with a combined 15 years of experience in exploring digital opportunities to make a fortune for myself out of them online. And that curiosity and that which I began in 2011. In 2011, the first time I started my journey online, it took me 7 months to make just $5. And there's a video of my story and a little bit of reference to this, with some data, the payment I received, and when I started complaining about the payment. You should see it maybe on TikTok or whatever YouTube shop, you'll see a video of that. But however, down to 2015, which is about a couple of years later, I discovered crypto, and then by 2016, I decided to get involved into crypto. So 6 years later, got crypto, and then crypto changed my life, right? A year or two into crypto, I made my first $100,000. I lost every single thing. I said that scratch again. This is like the typical testimony of most people who got involved in crypto. We make it big, they're literally in South Africa, because the truth is you can only grow as much as you have within you. So you can't grow beyond what you have. If you grow beyond, get outwardly more than what you have inwardly, you're only headed for destruction, right? So, but however, I was able to grow over time, and then by 2020, the tone changed, right? The tides changed, and I able to like make triple, quadruple more than that, and then change my life. In 2017, I made my first million out of crypto, and then ever since it's just been from glory to glory. Now, today we're doing a presentation regarding Aurum, and for the past 30 days, I've been doing a presentation every single day explaining and talking about Aurum with different slides, different method. And I've got a few other people who had come to, like yesterday, we had Lawyer Charge to the presentation. We've had a lady called Lovin as well. We've got Mr. Ayubami as well in the first day of the event. You can see all the videos on our YouTube channel. And if you go through my Facebook or X, you'll see some of the videos as well. Or most of them are all documented on the YouTube channel as well. You can listen to each of them. So whatever I'm not able to say today, definitely today is all about being very, very direct and making it to be very short and concise, right? And this is the 25th day of 30 days. So that means in 5 days' time, we'll be done with this 30 days of live stream. And if I've done this, I don't think I need to go down to any other form of presentation against regards this, because I've done more than enough and mentioned every single thing possible that I have to the best of my knowledge in this ecosystem. And to put it out there, I am just an investor in the ecosystem, a retail investor. Nothing I say here should be taken as financial advice. It is just my own information about the ecosystem, the opportunity, and how it is benefiting myself as much as a lot of other people as well are benefiting and maximizing out of it, considering how it sits at the intersection of two of the most important trends of this decade, of this era in the world right now, which is blockchain and crypto and AI. So it's sitting at the intersection of AI and blockchain and crypto, and there's no other platform right now that has to do with fintech doing what they are doing in the capacity and way and method they are doing it across banking and finance to crypto to what's the category, the AI, bringing it all together. So which is why it's just appealed so much to me. I feel like this is being designed in a great way, and I put it out there as well. I've never done 30 days of live stream presentation for one thing ever in my entire life. I'm not being paid to do this either. I'm so excited about the opportunity and also sharing it, because at the same time, there's a partner program in the system too that is also very, 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 very rewarding. And I will encourage anybody who cares and wants to do that by the side to also engage massively in it. But it's not a compulsory thing, right? So I want to get straight to this, and let's just do a presentation on Aurum, and let's see how fast we can go through this in the next couple of minutes, guys. Now I want to start by saying the number one problem in crypto is that most crypto traders lose not because crypto doesn't work. So there are people who lose money and feel like, crypto is not for me. It's not because crypto is not working. But most times the losses we have in crypto is due to lack of discipline, lack of systems, and lack of consistency. Right? Some of us are not disciplined enough to hold. We don't know when to buy, when to sell. No matter what is being taught, it's very hard for human beings to just adapt to change very well. But the question now is, sorry, what if AI could trade this market for you? What if AI could have the discipline you're lacking, have the systems you're lacking, have the consistency you're lacking, and does the trading for you 247 without you being involved in it? Right? What if that is possible? And now that is where Aurum comes in. That is why Aurum comes in. You can see why we are excited about Aurum, right? If you look here, you also see there what is Aurum. So Aurum is basically a decentralized fintech ecosystem that develops fintech products, AI products, as well as crypto products. 3 different sectors, right? So it combines AI trading bots with the crypto exchange aspect of it, with digital banking aspect of it, and a global payment infrastructure whereby you can have their Visa cards and MasterCards that you can use anywhere in the world, all designed to help members and users of the platform to grow their digital assets automatically and make money on the go, right? In terms of the team, Aurum is powered by a team of over 35 plus professionals, cutting across Binance, Morgan Stanley. The CEO is an ex-director of Binance for the Latin America region as well, which is no other person than Brian Benson. Now, we've got Binance, we've got Morgan Stanley. Part of the team has had experience working with IBM, with even the Bitget exchange, right? And this is basically, they are all experts across finance, blockchain, as well as the AI trading. So they're bringing their experiences collectively from all these top companies, which are multi-billion dollar unicorns already, and bringing it into Aurum. Now, so when we look at this, we now see that, okay, the market opportunity in which Aurum is penetrating is also very, very powerful. And when I mean very powerful is AI plus finance, which we refer to as AI finance, is one of the fastest growing sectors in the world right now. In case you don't know, according to the current statistics, about 67% of the global equity market in the US, the US equity market is being traded by AI. It's been generated by AI. Now, crypto adoption is expanding globally. We have the Clarity Act just about the corner. We're expecting Trump, which said he's going to like push it through to be passed as well. And he's saying he wants to make it the US the crypto capital of the world. Automation is becoming a thing right now in everything, but normal things we do, work processes, offices and platform. It's literally replacing manual activities. And even in trading, automation is also replacing manual trading, right? Right now, we're even developing, right? Personally, now this is not even Aurum. We're developing a GPT, right, that's going to be designed to help people automate signals in the HouseOfWealth trading network. So if you're on a platform, you definitely receive notice when that is developed. This is just me and my team now. It has nothing to do with area. Why? Because we're seeing where the future is and we're seeing how we can build around it. And we're also even trying to work, and we just recently developed even our own version of AI, but that we're calling back testing. Maybe it may take us the next 1 year to back test it. Why? Because we saw that if Aurum can do this, there are other people doing this as well. I mean, we can also do this kind of thing. And we're seeing the result is actually insane, which is making us to believe more in what Aurum is doing, right? So I'm speaking not from just a perspective of even an investor, but a perspective of somebody who is also a builder, right? A builder and a founder in my own way and in my own right? Investors right now are looking for systems that can work for them 24/7. And Aurum is positioning himself at the center of this AI finance ecosystem, which makes it way, very lucrative and awesome for us. So Aurum it has a lot of products, right? About is it 8 or 9 that's totally live, but because of this presentation, we don't want it to be too much. We just want to go straight to the point, right? Straight to the point. There's an Aurum presentation slide. If you register, create an account, right? Use the link on the description, create an account, or if someone sent you this video, reach out to the person and create an account. And once you do, or if you do, automatically you can see from the back office there presentation slides. You can read everything you want to read about it. You can also check the previous videos we've done. So many things, explanation there. But this video is just a very simple video that goes into the 3 core pillars of Aurum, right? One is the AI trading bots. The AI trading bots trades for you on a daily basis. You don't need to know how to trade. You don't need to be an expert. You don't even need to have knowledge of AI. It just automates trading for you 24/7. And there are about 3 of them. There's the Zeus bot, there's the XAI bot, and there's the XAI Pro bot. Amazing. The flagship is the XAI bot, which you use to get into the system, and then you have access to every other bot as well. Number 2 is the Aurum exchange, right, which is houses the crypto aspect of it, as well as whereby you can trade over 100 different digital assets. It's currently in beta testing and about to be, the app is about to be launched, and we have it. I have a belief that maybe we got a news that on Wednesday there's going to be a new announcement by the CEO. We don't know if it's going to be the Aurum exchange or what it's going to be. But however, in April there is a leadership event. In fact, 2 major events. One dedicated to Aurum, the other Aurum is going to feature in Token 2049. So I'm having an expectation that between the leadership event in Maldives in April and Token 2049, there'll also be another announcement as well in terms of these products and all that put together. But the Aurum exchange is currently live in beta testing and it's going to be moved to app. At app, that's going to be an alpha launch and all that put together. Then number 3 is the Aurum Neobank. The Aurum Neobank and the cards which you can use to spend crypto globally anywhere in the world. There are people using the Visa card, the MasterCard. You can order it from your back office and use it to, you don't need to convert through P2P. You can spend your crypto in your fiat anywhere in the world. This is basically like a one integrated digital fintech infrastructure, from the AI trading board to the crypto exchange to the banking sector, everything in one. So think of the bank as PayPal, OPay, PalmPay, Revolut, TransferWise, and then think of the exchange as Binance or Bybit or the likes of them, and think of the AI hedge fund as any of the hedge funds you know. So right, the AI platform, the AI bot as any of the hedge fund you know. So imagine, or mutual fund you know. So imagine having a digital bank, a crypto exchange, and a mutual fund, 3 together in one. That is what Aurum is doing. That is what forms Aurum. And if you look at the current metrics of Aurum, currently they have about 50,000 members globally, and the AI arbitrage trade has conducted over $15 million in profits, and the total trading volume in terms of AUM, asset under management, is about over $90 million, which shows growing adoption in the ecosystem and growth of the ecosystem, which I believe would position, looking at the rates at which Aurum is going, it could actually become a unicorn over the next 2 years, right, as a company as well. And just so you know, Aurum is built on a licensed infrastructure, right? So you just got to put that out there. Meanwhile, you could see there that Aurum is built on a licensed infrastructure. I'm trying to look for taking out of the team. Yep. So we're here. You can see it's registered under this jurisdiction, covering Asia, the Middle East, covering even Africa as well as the whole of Europe as well. And they're looking at increasing the licenses they have to as much as 6 to 7 of them before the end of this year, and also even penetrating the US market by next year as well, which is actually a good thing. It gives us some level of confidence that, okay, these people know what they are doing in terms of their global operations and sort of activities. Now, how do you make money? What is the benefit as a user if you want to get into Aurum? Number 1, you can make money through the AI automated trading system. You can make money out of it. Number 2, they have staking opportunities and arbitrage in the crypto aspect of it via the exchange and the blockchain, which you can also take advantage of it if you want to. And because Aurum also has like its own blockchain, and which is currently being built as well, and its own token that is not yet fully live as well. So you can, that is fourth and second area. Number 3 is ecosystem participation. There's so many tools in the Aurum you can make use of. You can participate in the tools. You can also engage even in the partner program too, and make a lot of money for yourself, right? So I'm doing this because I'm engaging in the partner program. If not, why should I need to tell you? Because I already have, like, I'm running the max package myself, and I'm making a lot of money. So I could just be comfortable and sit and say, oh, I don't want to see anything, and I'm still going to make money regardless, right? But because I want to engage in the ecosystem in terms of the partner program and make more reward for myself, first of all, which has nothing to do with my investment now. It has nothing to do with my investment. My investment runs for me and does that. This is just extra money I want to make by the side from this system, right? And you can do the same for yourself if you want to do it. So automation and infrastructure is basically designed in Aurum to simplify the idea of digital finance. Why do I think that you should join Aurum now? Is because Aurum is still in an early growth phase, right? For a fact, we look at in 2023, right, was when the Aurum idea came into being, came into launch. By 2024, they opened the office in Hong Kong and did the registration with $1 million capital as well. The XAI bot is trading, and they've been back testing it, right? And they opened it to VCs and investors in 2024 as well. And then by 2025 last year, they did like a beta launch, not the full public launch, but the beta launch, whereby other assets and other things, that the banking and other things, were being added to the ecosystem to build a more robust system that is going to thrive. And even at the beta launch, there are people who were jumping in and hopping in to just position themselves. And most of them, who you see, are killing it right now, making a lot of money. It seems as if they're making a lot of profits right now. Every single one of them keep the website now. It doesn't even make a lot of sense, right? Then just January this year, this is basically fairly this going March, right? 2 months ago was when the official public launch forum was going. Just 2 months. So we are early, because the truth is, if we are not early, I wouldn't talk about this. The forum is, if let's say the launch was like a year ago, I wouldn't talk about it. If it didn't be for 2 years ago, I wouldn't talk about it, because I believe at that point the kind of opportunity we would have to make money out of partner program, out of all the benefits of the ecosystem would be gone. To be so known out, and every time that any point of it, so it doesn't make sense at that time. So, as somebody who picture in the early ecosystem, because that is where I believe generational wealth opportunity lies, and you get to change your life. That is why I am bullish on it now, right? Because it's an early growth phase, right? But the platform is just expanding. There's so many things that's coming in for being built, that's coming up. The ROWA part of it, which has to do with real estate, the other part of it that has to do with gold stocks is coming in. The exchange, like the blockchain is yet. Like, look at this piece, look at all this piece. So I know that, okay, we are early here, looking at what they are building and what's coming up. By the time those things are built already, I mean, what is there again in the system when this is already out? That's just my perspective. My perspective may not be your perspective, but I'd rather be early and make generational wealth than be late, whereby company has grown to a particular place whereby anything could happen. When something is so, I want to be a part of reaching number 3. I want to be a part of a growing partner. I want to be a part of a growing partner. I've looked at the life of a lot of people that have been in similar kinds of ecosystem, and they were early and they were aggressive about it. The ones that were built to thrive for 5 years, Aurum shared and played the video of the next 10 years, the next couple of years as well. I want to be a part of that kind of thing. Who has been in something like this, like similar in terms of Aurum building for the next 5-10 years, and aggressively were involved in it. Every single one of them I knew of changed their life. Every single one of them. Every single one of them. And when I mean build their life, they build their life to the point whereby they become step
in 23.
They become so big that they build their own brand out of the system, right? They build their own brand out of the system, and they have a loyal community that they have helped change my life. So imagine having 1,000 persons who have changed their lives because of me. Do you know what that is going to do for me? So this is how I think, right? So early participants position themselves ahead of the curve, ahead of the masses. Just like when you're buying a coin, right? Most people traders want to be early. You want to be like the first person who called this coin when it was this, call this coin. That's the same way. I just want to be early in Aurum too, right? So what is the next step you need to do? Create an Aurum account if you haven't. Reach out to whoever sent you this video. Whoever sent you the video, reach out to them. Create an account and get started. If you got in through me, maybe on X, on YouTube, on Facebook, through my post, check in the description of the video. You see a link there. Use the link in the description and create an account. Activate your AI trading to use the next yearboard. With just $19.99, you should unlock your access into the system. Join the community ecosystem. Learn more about Aurum. Every week there's a live stream. Every week it's not just me. The community does educational sessions, teaching, training how to use the platform every single week. Learn, connect, explore the Aurum platform. We have created a WhatsApp channel just for our team alone in Aurum, and we'll be sharing a lot of Aurum updates here. You can also join the WhatsApp channel. I think also finish in the comments. So if not, if you're on a Telegram, I think we're going to do repost on the channel, so people want to join can always go in there to see. Okay, so not everything we post there, we post on because we have our different HouseOfWealth community, very different from Aurum, right? So we just dedicated out Aurum alone. I want to play a video of that talks. It's just a short 2-4 minute video that talks about vision of Aurum, where they started from 2023, where they are right now, and what they're looking towards in the next 5 to 10 years. But their plan, so you have an idea in terms of what else they built and what the vision is, what they are working towards. So you know that okay, this is where we are right now, and this is where the opportunity for this lies. And what can you ask yourself, what can you do with this opportunity in the next 1 year? What can you do with Aurum in the next next week. And people are going to be asking like, what if this thing? What if this thing shuts down? What if this? What if this? It's a normal question people are going to ask. It is true. What if? But the question I would ask people is, there are two ways you look at life. You can look life from when a glass is half filled. There are people who see it as this glass is half filled, though. Another person is going to come and say, no, it's half empty. Two different, one glass, one experience, one thing, two different views. Somebody can look at it from an optimistic aspect of it. Another person looks at it from a pessimistic aspect of it. Two different views. Two different views. So the question I would ask is, when people ask me, what if this fails? I ask, what if it doesn't fail? What if it thrives? What if for the next 1 year, the next 2 years, the next 3 years, it keeps on getting bigger? Have you ever asked yourself that question? And most of them black. And I said, do you know that life is so risky that we can't even get out of life alive? We can't get out of life alive. The truth is, you're going to go to bed tonight and you're going to sleep. What's the assurance that you're going to wake up tomorrow morning? Every time we close our eyes to sleep, we're taking a risk that we're going to wake up without knowing that we're going to wake up. Without any logical thing to hold and say, okay, this is the certainty that I must wake up. There are people who are going to sleep tonight and they are so sure they're going to wake up and won't even wake up tomorrow morning. Everything we do in life is a risk. Planes have crashes. Cars have accidents. Right? But we still thrive. Those of us who are into crypto, we buy coins and coins go down in value. We believe these coins will do so well. But yet, it doesn't stop us from getting on the next big thing that we believe that, okay, this has the potential. Because you don't fail until you stop trying. You don't fail in life until you stop trying. The only person who is a failure is that person who stops trying. And last time I checked, in life, everything you do, there are two people watching you. There's the people who are waiting to see you fail, and there are those who are praying for you to see you succeed. And the truth is, whenever you succeed in anything, even those waiting to see you fail, we still celebrate you alongside those who are praying for you to succeed. That's just one thing about life. That's one fact about life. That's one fact about life. Those of us who are traders, we take risks. Every trade we're trading, we take losses. Sometimes we take thank God for people like us who have high win rates, right? Sometimes you take 5 loss on some trades. Sometimes you blow accounts. Will it stop you from looking for money again to create another account, to fund your account and continue trading, or to buy another prop firm? Because you're seeing others thriving and succeeding with that thing. You believe it is going to work. Why then do we not start behaving like this when we see opportunities in AI? All we just need to do is we evaluate, why did I make the past mistake I made? Right? And how can I not make that mistake again? How can it be better now? How can I take the right step? How can I take strategic? So everything has to do, like I said, timing, positioning, understanding, picturism. So let me play that video briefly, and before we call it a day, right? I'm sorry I haven't responded to any of the comments yet, but I see you guys. It's good to have you guys joining today as well. It's good to have you guys. From tomorrow, we should start our opportunity launch session, whereby we go dive rapidly into the trenches and all that, look at coins, trading. New York session is when I go live for that. And then we've got like 5 more days to wrap up all this series.
The world was still living by the old financial logic, but we pressed start. We wanted to create an ecosystem that would unite artificial intelligence and finance to make asset management simple, scalable, and secure. That's how Aurum was born. The starting point was EXAI Bot, first AI-powered trading solution, an algorithm that laid the foundation for an entire era. From that moment, we began expanding at the speed of light. We've built and are implementing a vision that includes trading AI bots, exchanges, neobank, crypto cards, and real-world asset tokenization, official registration in Hong Kong, and the first features in global media. The creation of Aurum Neobank, the launch of Zeus AI Bot, and the flash loan license surpassing $1 million in profits. The opening of our headquarters in Dubai, where hundreds of industry leaders gathered. The world started to talk about us. We were featured by Binance, Benzinga, Crypto Reporter, and Blockchain Wire. Forbes called us the new infrastructure of global finance. But this is no time to pause. We're gaining momentum. We launched Aurum Academy, strengthen our team, and appoint Brian Benson, a professional with 27 years of experience, as our CEO. Global events in Vietnam, Dubai, and Antalya. Today, we stand on the stage of Token 2049 Singapore, alongside the leaders of Binance, Tether, KuCoin, and Tron. And this moment once again proves Aurum is a global ecosystem of worldwide scale. But the most important part, this is only the beginning. The next decade will be one of expansion. In 2025 to 2026, we bring Aurum Neobank to the mass market. Hundreds of thousands of users, millions of transactions. The launch of Aurum Exchange, which reaches $5 billion in trading volume within its first year. AI bots manage over $100 million in assets. The first 5,000 cash-in and withdrawal terminals appear. Aurum establishes its presence in 10 countries and secures its position in the global market. In 2027 to 2028, we raise the bar. Neobank reaches 2 million users and 1.5 million cards. During this period, Aurum Dex, a next-generation decentralized exchange, launches. Personalized AI-based services emerge. Credit scoring and capital management. The first RWA deals worth $500 million are integrated. The terminal network expands to 20,000 points across 20 countries. By 2029, Neobank evolves into a super app. Flight bookings, taxis, car rentals, food delivery, while transactions exceed $20 billion. Aurum Dex cements its position within the ecosystem with $5 billion in trading volume, becoming a key element of Aurum's DeFi direction. AI agents operate for hundreds of thousands of businesses, and RWA grows to $5 billion. Aurum becomes an ecosystem that accompanies users every day. In 2030 to 2033, we reach global scale. Neobank's user base hits 12 million and over 10 million cards. Inside the super app, 15 to 20 integrated services and partnerships with 500 global brands. Aurum Exchange reaches $90 billion in trading volume and enters the top 10 global crypto exchanges. The terminal network expands to 100,000 plus locations across 50 plus countries. The annual Aurum Global Summit gathers 5,000 leaders. By 2033 to 2035, Aurum Neobank enters the top 5 global neobanks with a valuation of $10 billion plus. Aurum Exchange remains in the top 10, while Aurum Dex surpasses $20 billion in trading volume. AI manages over $5 billion in assets, and RWA exceeds $20 billion. We are present in 75 countries, with 1,000 global partners and over 100,000 terminals. The Aurum Global Summit brings together 10,000 industry leaders. Aurum becomes the symbol of a new financial era, a system that made finance accessible to everyone, a story that has already transformed the industry, and a future that already belongs to us.
Okay, guys, bye for now and have a great day, great time. See you when I see you guys.